Hi everyone, in front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to manage the charging sound on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's tap on advanced and scroll down in order to find the option charging sounds and vibration. It should be in other sounds and vibrations section. So right now it is turned on, so it means that after plugging in the cable you will be able to hear that characteristic sound. If you are not the biggest fan of it and if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher here, and from now on your device will be silent whilst plugging in the cable. Of course you can turn it on whenever you want to, just by tapping on it. So actually this is it. This is how to manage charging sound in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.